So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can use this kind of purple chat effects on your Instagram notes or messages. So friends, to use this kind of feature of chat effects, first of all update your Instagram application from Play Store or App Store. Or guys, if you want to use this chat effects in messages, then you need to type this type of words, for example like 2024, 2025. Or guys, if you send a wishing message like Happy New Year to your friends, then your message will be sent as this purple chat effects. Or friends, if you want to use this purple chat effects on your notes, then you have to follow the same steps. You have to type 2024, 2025 or a wishing message like Happy New Year. So for example, I will type 2025 and guys, then so guys, you can see. So friends, if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to channel to get more interesting and latest videos on social media.